Hi, I'm Ashley Thompson, and I'm the wine-inspired blogger behind the blog Allo, Plum. My blog is about DIYing everything better, from sewing to handcrafts to baking tutorials and home decor. It's about doing it better and having fun. Welcome to my channel. I'm a mom to 3, and my youngest was a preemie that caused me to quit working to stay home with him. I was already a DIY enthusiast, but this is when my DIY obsession exploded. And whenever I had an idea, I would turn to YouTube or Pinterest to try to find a great tutorial. And while I could find tutorials out there that were technical, they all had terrible style. Seriously, character print fleece is never a good idea. Trust me on that one. I am also a wife to an architect, which means I have constant access to the latest and greatest in design trends and design principles. And I can bring them to you. What I do on my channel is bring the technical DIY skills you need with the style and design that you want. I'll teach you how to make your own stunning home decor while showing you how to pick out the best fabrics and materials, stay ahead of design trends, and how to make things that look like you would actually want to buy them from your favorite store. My motto is that just because it's DIY doesn't mean it has to look like it. I put out tutorials on a variety of fun DIY projects every week, along with videos on great tips, tools, and insider hacks that will help you do everything better. I'm often joined by industry experts, my friends that just like to drink and craft with me, and my crafty nemesis, Helen. So make sure you subscribe to my channel right away so you don't miss any ways to DIY better. Say hi or drop me a note on what you want to see for my next DIY project on the comments below. Thanks for watching.